Good morning, student. Today we will start the new chapter. That is chapter number 12, Life Mathematics. In Life Mathematics, we see the profit and loss. Okay? So, see here in your book, Rita goes to market to buy a vegetables and she approaches a vegetable seller. Rita, from where do you get so many vegetables, auntie? Seller said, I grow them in my farm. Why? To make a money. Rita said, but how? Seller said, I spent 100 rupees to grow vegetables and get 140 rupees by selling them. So my earning is 40 rupees, which is my profit. Rita said, do you always get a profit? Seller, no, sometimes I am not able to sell all the vegetables that I grow. Then it is a loss. Rita was curious to know more about the terms profit and loss and she decided to ask this her math teacher. So today we see what is meant by profit and loss. Okay, see here a retail book shop owner, shopkeeper, wholesaler, buy textbook, pen, eraser, pencil, box and so on from the wholesaler and sell them at terms on selling price. The price paid by shopkeeper to purchase these items from wholesaler is called cost price of these items. ओके जो शॉपकीपर है वो होलसेलर से सामान लाता है. ओके इरेजर शार्पनर होलसेलर से लेता है खरीद के, तो उसको बोलते हैं उसके कॉस्ट प्राइस. ओके एंड फ्रॉम दिस शॉपकीपर वी विल परचेस दिस थिंग मीन्स दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस. जब हम दुकान पे जाके वो सामान खरीदते हैं तो हमको क्या वो प्राइस कौन सी है, उसके लिए सेलिंग प्राइस है. ओके सो सी हियर व्हाट इज मीन बाय कॉस्ट प्राइस. It is the price at which an atom is bought. Okay, this is the price. This is the original rate. Okay, from wholesaler. The item is bought and selling price is we denoted by SP and cost price denoted by CP, and it is the price at which the atom is sold from shopkeeper to us. Okay, so remember this cost price means the if the price at which an atom is bought, and selling price means it is the price at which an atom is sold. So when selling price is greater than cost price, okay, selling price means दुकानदार ने हमको ज़्यादा पैसे में दिया तो ये हो गई सेलिंग प्राइस. तो विच इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, then there is a profit. Okay, here see here P, we use term P for profit. Then what is the formula to find the profit? Selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP. Okay, and if the cost price is greater than selling price, okay, जो ओरिजिनल रेट है चीज कोई भी चीज का वो ज़्यादा है सेलिंग प्राइस से, तब वो क्या होगा, लॉस. बिकॉज कोई भी चीज़ सपोज आपने कार लाई, वो 6 लाख की लाई है. ओके, और 6 लाख की कार आपने परचेस की, वो हो गई कार की कॉस्ट प्राइस. बट वेन आपने उसको रीसेल किया तो आपको उसके ओनली 2 लाख मिले, मीन्स वो हो गया आपका लॉस एंड दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस. तो सेलिंग प्राइस लॉस मीन्स cost price minus selling price. Okay, so in this way we find the loss. So what is the formula? Loss is equal to, we use L to denote the loss, cost price minus selling price. Okay, now remember this. Now we see how to calculate the profit and loss. So remember this formula. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Here selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, remember this. Then loss. Loss means when cost price is greater than selling price. So selling cost price minus selling price. You have to learn this both formula. Okay. Now we see how to calculate it. See here, question is the cost price of pencil is 15 rupees and its selling price is 18 rupees. Find profit or loss. How to find? So, cost price, how to write? So, your answer start from here. Cost price means CP. How much? 15 rupees. And selling price means SP. Means how much? 18 rupees. How to find? So here, which is greater? See here. Selling price is greater than cost price. Okay. So selling price is greater than cost price means he get a profit. Okay. Here we get a profit. So what is the formula? Profit is equal to SP. This is SP minus CP. So SP is 18 rupees and CP is 15 rupees. So what is the 18 minus 15? We get 3 rupees. Okay. So here hence we get how much profit? The profit is 3 rupees. Okay, you understand this? See here. Here cost price of pencil is 15 rupees. But selling price is 18 rupees. When the shopkeeper sell this pencil on 80 rupees. And from wholesaler, he bought for 15 rupees. So, the here selling price is greater than cost price. So, here we get the profit. Shopkeeper got profit. Okay. So, what is the formula to find the profit? SP minus CP. Okay. So, rupees 18 rupees minus 15 rupees. How much rupees profit? 3 rupees for profit. Here we get 3 rupees profit. Okay. Now we see one more example here. See. Second question is the cost price of pack of crayons is 25 rupees and its selling price is 20 rupees. Find profit or loss. So again find here. What is here? Profit or loss? Here as here CP. CP how much? Cost price is 25 rupees. Okay. And selling price is 20 rupees. Okay. See here. Cost price 25 rupees and selling price 20 rupees. Means cost price is greater than selling price. So here is loss. Okay. As CP is greater than SP is equal to we get loss. And how much, how to find how many rupees loss? So write here loss, that is L is equal to now CP minus SP. A greater number is CP, so we first write CP is cost price minus selling price. And cost price is how much? 25 rupees. And selling price 20 rupees. 25 minus 20 we get 5 rupees. Means how much loss? Here hence we write the loss is 5 rupees. You understand it? How to find the loss or profit? So here see cost price is greater than selling price, so it is loss. Okay, and when selling price is greater than cost price, then there is profit. Remember this.